And in Spanish, we say it like this. Hola, me llamo Lucia. Cool, right?
Friends, I'm Mateo. Let's learn how to say hello in Spanish. We say, hola. Can you try that? Hola.
My name is Lucia. And in Spanish, we say it like this. Me llamo Lucia. Cool, right?
Sophia says, hello. In Spanish, that's hola.
Hey, friends! When I say hola, you say it too. Ready? Let's try it together. Hola means hello in Spanish.
There. My name is Mateo. And in Spanish, we say it like this. Me llamo Mateo. Cool, right?
My name is Lucia. And in Spanish, we say it like this. Me llamo Lucia. Cool, right?
She says, my name is Sophia. In Spanish, that's Me llamo Sofia. This is my dad. He's the best. In Spanish, we say, Él es mi papá. Can you say that with me?
This is my mom. She's so nice. In Spanish, I say, Ella es mi mamá. Can you try saying it too? This is Max. He's my dog and my best buddy. In Spanish, we say, Él es Max. Look at Max. He's saying hi to everyone. That's so cute, right? In Spanish, we say, Hola, Max. Can you try it too?
Hello, Max. That's Hola, Max in Spanish.
Let's learn something new today together. In Spanish, we say, Vamos a aprender. Did you know how to say my name in Spanish? This is how we say it. It's me llamo. Now you try it. Me llamo.
I'm practicing how to say my name is in Spanish. It's me llamo. Let's try it again together. It's me llamo. Sophia is signing my name is. And in Spanish, that's me llamo. Hi, friends. My name is Mateo. In Spanish, we say me llamo Mateo. Can you say it with me? Let's try together. Nice to meet you, Mateo. In Spanish, we say mucho gusto, Mateo. It's a friendly way to greet someone.
Let's learn a new word today, friends. Cat. In Spanish, we say gato. Let me show you how we sign gato in ASL. That's the Spanish word for cat. Watch closely. Now try it with me. Great job! Gato means cat in Spanish.
Watch me. This is how we sign cat. We say gato in Spanish. Can you try it too? Watch me. This is how we sign cat. We say gato. Do you know what a baby cat is called? It's a kitten. In Spanish, we say gatito. Can you say gatito with me? Gatito. Cats love to play. In Spanish, play is jugar. Say it with me. Jugar. Let's play like a cat. Look at Sophia. She's signing the word gato. That means cat in Spanish. Let's keep learning together. One word at a time.
We've all learned something fun today. And I'm so glad we got to spend this time together. It's been awesome! It's time to say goodbye, friends.